everyone, welcome back to Hearty Eats, brought to you by the Heart Foundation of Jamaica and Delicious Occasions Cooking Classes. So today we'll be making a delicious and nutritious green juice, which I want you all to try at home. We're going to be using, so we're here in Jamaica where we have a lot of coconut water. It's always available year round, and so I like a green juice, but I love my green juice made with coconut water because I find it to be more palatable. A lot of people don't like green juice because they say it tastes green, okay? So when I use coconut water, I find it to be very refreshing and I can drink a lot of it. Now, a green juice is a good way for you to get in the nutrients from your vegetables, okay? This is a way to, so if you, let's say we want to have 7 cups of vegetables per day, you want to have lots of greens in that. This is a way to get in a lot of the greens, the nutrients from the greens, by blending them into a juice. So I'm going to be using today some spinach, some kale, some Swiss chard, which this is homegrown Swiss chard. We don't see this a lot in Jamaica, but I love it in a green juice. We're going to be using cucumbers, limes, a little parsley, ginger, celery. And it's up to you now what you add to your green juice. Some people like to put apples in there. You can make it your own, but try the green juice with a base of coconut water and see how it is. Really good. So I'm going to start off by chopping up my greens and getting them into the blender. So I'll get my Swiss chard in. I'm going to add some celery, and again, it's up to you how much of these ingredients you like. So if you want yours to be a little more spicy with the ginger, you can go ahead and add more ginger. If you want it a little more tart from the limes, go ahead, add more limes. Okay, I won't make mine too gingery. We have our celery in there. We're going to add our lime juice, and again, your choice. So you customize it to suit your taste buds. So we get our lime in there. And I'm going to add just a half of another lime because that's how I like mine. I have a little spinach and kale here. You can put like a handful of that in there. A little parsley, again, up to you how much you want to add. And I think our cucumber, let's just chop up. And it doesn't matter the shape or size of these, well, the size, you don't want them too big to pressure your blender. Especially the ginger, get that cut up. We're gonna add our cucumber. And then lastly, we'll add our coconut water. So we'll get that in. And then quick and easy, all we need to do now is to blend and strain. And all you need to do now, just get everything blended as smooth as you can. Depending on the strength of your blender, it may take a little longer or quicker. So work with what you have. All right. Let's just clear up a bit here. And I'm going to just give this one more go. And don't overpack your blender. I think I may have put just a little bit too much in mine. Alright, so next step, we're just gonna strain our green juice. So yeah, I did put a bit too much. And so I'll very carefully pour this into my strainer. And I have a spoon here just to help me to push it through. You can also strain this through a cloth. If you have a cloth, they also have what they call nut milk bags. which you can strain it through. But even if you have just a piece of cloth, you can strain it through, and that way you'd be able to squeeze it and get everything out. All right, so we have a lot of stuff here. This will go to my chickens. They will definitely enjoy this. All right, so there we have it. All right, I'll try to get a little more from this in just a minute, but that's how quick and easy this is, guys. Let me just clear up. And this is our delicious green juice, ready to serve. And remember, make this your own. You want to go ahead and add what you like to add to this. So remember, you can add other greens that you enjoy. You can put in here. You could have added lettuce to this as well. And you can see now you're going to get all the nutrients from all those vegetables that we just blended. You can just drink it down. Okay, so do try this recipe at home and let us know in the comments below what you think of it. Let us know what you added to your green juice, how you like to do it, and you'll see the recipe for this one that we did in the link below. So thank you for joining us here again on Hearty Eats. See you soon with another heart healthy recipe.